How to start preparing for JAMB 2025 examination effectively and score 300 and above. This is going to be an intensive, dense video. Probably going to be a lengthy video here because I really want to explain every single details for you, especially for those guys who are yet to start their JAMB examination preparation and really want to score 300. Do you understand? So, or 300 and above. So what you want to do here is to make sure you watch the end, take down every single thing. Now, what I will advise you, maybe you finish watching this video, make sure you start put them every single thing you want to learn into practice, because every single step I want to give to you, a practical step you can easily follow, and you're going to see results in 30 days. Do you understand? Now, but before I continue here, let me just say this here. The sad reality here is that only 1% of students score 300 and above. Just so it means that the chance of you watching this video here of you scoring 300 is slim. Just and the reason is because it takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of focus, hard work, and the rest for you to be able to score 300. It goes beyond the physical. It also involves the spiritual. Just so it involves a lot of work. So only 1% of students that do right JAMB that score 300. But however, if you can put this step I'm about to give to you into practice and implement them as a daily habit, you are going to see massive results, and the chance of you scoring 300 will be very high. Just so let's get into it. So the first step for you to start preparing for your JAMB examination, the first thing you have to do is to target your ideal JAMB score. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of students make is that when they are preparing for their JAMB examination, they don't target their ideal score. You need to have a target. You need to have something you are aiming at. That will be your motivating factor. That will be your focus and your attention pointing towards. All your energy, all your effort, all your reading, everything you are doing will be targeted or will be pointed towards that direction. Just so what I want to do here is this. Now I want you to set a big goal for yourself. If you have written JAMB before and you score 180 or you score 200, this time what you want to target for the JAMB examination is 350. Just so this is what you want to do here. Your target is going to be 350. So as I watch this video now, pause this video here. Go and take notes. Go and take notes. Let me go and take notes here. Go and take notes, right? Open the notes here and write, I score 300 in JAMB in 2025. Yes, I score 350. Yes, our target is what is 350. I score 350 in JAMB 2025. Now, that is your target. That is your goal. Do you understand? It looks so big, right? But look at something here. This is exercise I'm going to give to you. You are going to do on a daily basis. Now, before you go to bed every single night, now take a pen and a paper and write, I scored 350 in JAMB in 2025, and read it aloud to yourself. Read it. I scored 300 in JAMB in 2025. Yes, this exercise you do. Now, before you go to bed every night, I scored 300 in JAMB in 2025. Just go to bed. All that you want to do here is this. When you wake up from bed, now before you do anything here, write, I scored 300 in JAMB in 2025. Now, after, if you are doing this here, close your eye and imagine yourself as scoring that 350 in JAMB. Just you have to imagine yourself. Now, what this does is it programs your mind. It programs this JAMB, this 350 into your subconscious mind. You may not know the effect now, but if you do it every single day, probably first week, if you're not the type that believes you can score 350 in JAMB, the first week you are going to do this year, you are going to adapt yourself. Just but when it's continue doing the first week, second week, third week here, or yeah, now before the second week ends, before the end of what second week, you'll be doing this every single day. You want to program this 350 inside your subconscious mind. You want to make your mind believe that this is what you want. Now you want to tell your mind that this is what you want. Most of you don't know the power of the mind, so you may not actually understand what I'm saying here. But just believe me here. Just try and do exactly what I'm showing you or teaching here, and you're going to see massive results. You're going to do this thing for straight 30 days. Just for straight 30 days. After that 30 days, do it again for another 30 days. Before you go to bed, write I scored 350 in JAMB in 2025. Remind yourself scoring 350 in JAMB and then drift to bed. Now, when you wake up, before you do NTM, write I scored 350 in JAMB in 2025. Just now, imagine yourself scoring that score and believe that you can actually score that score. That is what is the first step. Just don't ever play with this step if really you are serious about making success in JAMB 2025. Now, the second thing you want to do here, the second step is, which is very important, is what look for a tutorial to attend, either online or physical tutorial. Look at something here. Any student that believes that he or she can succeed all by himself is just deceiving his or herself. Just no one succeeds by his or herself alone. You need mentors. You need people who have been in the game for a very long time. You need the expertise of others who have helped others like you to gain success in JAMB examination. Now, recently, a student chatted me up that she's having issues, that chemistry, she has finished the syllabus, that what she claimed that she have achieved. She said that she have covered chemistry syllabus, like the whole chemistry syllabus, but yet she cannot answer past question. Just now, this is one of the mistakes a lot of students make. They think that by their studying by themselves every single day, they are good to go. Just now, you need to look for an online tutorial or physical tutorial to attend. Make sure you do your due diligence very well. Make sure you ask questions if these people are really good or not. Just if you're a working class student, like if you're a student who work and you want to write this JAMB, because I've seen many of them. Just what you want to do here is to look for an effective online class to attend, or probably you help your mother to sell and you don't really have enough time to during the day to go for tutorial. Look for an effective online tutorial to sign up for. Just it's going to be of great help to you. Now you're going to remove the stress of you reading. Now, when they teach you read that stuff here, they have your personal time, which I'm going to talk later. Do you understand? But look for an effective online class to sign up for, which is going to be of help to you. That is why I will advise you to join my private online class. Just not that I'm forcing you. If you know that you have others, you have seen any other place that you can use to attend your live class, fine. Just but make sure you have an effective class. Just but if you join my private online class, you are going to achieve a lot. Just we have two classes here. We have the private group chat and we have the private one-on-one class. Just and it's monthly payment. The private group chat is 8,000 naira every single month, but currently now we are on discount price of 5,000 naira every single month. Just why the private one-on-one is 15,000 naira every single month, depending on the one you want to go for. Just if you are interested, send me a DM. I will give you more information. Just but don't think that you can do everything all by yourself. You need expertise of people who have done this thing, who have helped others like you to achieve success in your JAMB. This will lift the weight from you. This will reduce your stress up to 60%. You understand? And you're going to help you to focus on other things. You understand? So don't joke with this step number 2. Number 3 on the list is what you structure out your study plan and stick to it. As a student, you must have your daily study plan. You must have a well-structured study timetable that you follow every single day. Just it's not just enough to go for tutorial, or it's not just enough for you to attend classes, right? Your personal study contribute almost 60% or 70% of your study. If you go for tutorial all the time and you don't have your personal study time to read, everything will amount to nonsense. Everything will amount to nothing. All your effort, all the money you have paid will be wasted. Do you understand? So that is why I suggest to you to draft out 4 or more hours, 4 to 6 hours every single day on your personal study. No matter how busy you are, no matter how your schedule look like, make sure you get 4 hours out of the 24 hours in your personal study. So your structured timetable here should contain 2 subjects a day. Just and you should focus on covering like one topic in one subject a day. Do you understand? So your focus is that 2 hours, 2 hours in one course, 2 hours in one subject, like 2 hours in one subject, 2 hours in one subject. It's going to be of great help to you because your personal study matters a lot. Now, once you draft out your personal timetable, now make sure you stick to it no matter what. Just that it should have a specific time frame. Now, the area you are studying is going to help you a lot. If you know that you don't know how to draft out personal timetable, yeah, send me a DM. Just send me a DM, and I will what say I will help you draft out your personal timetable. You can call me. You can make what a WhatsApp call, and I will help you to what draft out your personal timetable if that you want. You understand? You're not paying money for that. So if you really want to draft out your personal timetable, you want to help you to draft out your personal timetable, then send me a DM on my WhatsApp. Then I will tell you how to what achieve that. That is what point number 3. Step number 4, which is very important, use the JAMB syllabus as a study guide. Don't just be reading like that. Use the JAMB syllabus as a study guide. Make sure that what you are reading is what is inside the JAMB syllabus, because all your questions will tell from the JAMB syllabus, just an author the JAMB syllabus. So if you are reading and you're not using the JAMB syllabus, know that you may be reading out of point. And the worst uses of time is to read something or learn a topic that you never see in your JAMB examination. That is what worst use of time. That is why you need the JAMB syllabus. You need to have the JAMB syllabus like close to you. As you are reading, okay, you open, okay, this is the topic in JAMB syllabus. Okay, this is what I want to do here. Another thing here we want to do here is what use the JAMB recommended materials. Now, after that, the JAMB syllabus here, go and get the JAMB recommended materials for your subject combination. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. I can't stress this enough. Just so that was step which is number 4. Just use the JAMB syllabus for your study guide. Use it as a guide, and use the recommended syllabus, recommended textbook for study. That was number 4. Number 5, practice enough past question. Practice enough past question. Now, I can't stress enough. Now, once you have covered any topic, probably you have covered sets in mathematics, or you have covered indices in mathematics, or you have covered motion in physics, or you have covered organic chemistry in chemistry. What you have to do here is to practice enough question in that topic. Make sure you solve every question under that topic you see in the past question. Now, once you are solving past question under the topic you have covered, now this will help you to understand if you really understand the topic or not. Then the area you need to improve on. Just that step number 5. Large majority of students don't do step number 5. They don't practice enough past question. That is the problem. That is why they score low. If you want to really score 300 and above or 350 and above, then you must practice practice enough past question. Learn how to solve questions. Very, very important. It's very, very important. I can't stress this enough. The last step I'll give to you, which I wish to end this video, is this: practice speed test. Practice how to beat the time. Your exam is 2 hours, 4 subject combination, 4 subjects. Just now you need to master speed test. That is why preparing on time is very important. Now imagine you have covered your JAMB syllabus 1 month before the JAMB examination, like before April. You have covered the whole JAMB syllabus. Probably if you are doing math, chemistry, and physics, and biology or English, right? Imagine that you have covered the JAMB syllabus for all your subject combination 1 month before the examination. Now you have enough time to do practice tests. You have enough time to assess yourself. Make sure you master the speed test. You understand? Because JAMB examination is all about speed and your accuracy. Just you must learn how to tackle difficult problems in less time. As a matter of fact, each of your questions you are attempting should not be more than 40 seconds. Like each question should not be more than 40 seconds. Anytime, any question you are allocated like 1 minute or 2 minutes to that question here, understand that you are depriving yourself to answer every other topic, every other question. Just so that is why You want to be practicing speed tests all the time. You want to what, master how the exam look like. Just that is why covering up the syllabus on time, using the recommended syllabus, setting your effective study plan. These are essential key for you to what, master and do well in your JAMB examination. Just my name is Ken Chris, and I help students to prepare for JAMB examination. I teach maths, chemistry, and physics. If you know that you need help in the upcoming JAMB examination, then you need to join our private online class. That will be a very good start for you to start. That will be a very good point for you to what, to start. My number will be on the screen in case you need our help. Send me a DM. I will tell you the price. Then join our class. Just we still have enough time. We are yet to enter January, right? We are yet to enter January, and your exam is going to be April. So every time you miss, you have wasted a lot of time. So that is why every of your time you can't. Just and we are here to be of help to you. So if we need our help, send us a DM. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.